Well guys, another short video from Haulover Inlet. I think we're gonna call this one the new king, or maybe it's not the new king. I think there's another Riva yacht that I'm gonna show you in a preview in a few seconds that it's kind of better than this one. So you tell me, what do you think? Also, I want to take this moment to thank everybody that have supported my work by leaving a comment below. That it's really important so that the channel can grow and I can keep bringing you more content. So for now, this is all. I hope you enjoyed this short preview of what's coming next. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.